Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to connect Namecheap Domain to Shopify. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser. Once you are in your internet browser, you are now going to search for how to connect Namecheap Domain to Shopify. In here, look for the website that says namecheap.com, and then it should say how to point a domain to Shopify. In here, scroll down. Now this will be a step-by-step process on how you can do the following tutorial. And below, there are options on how to do it. There are also photos and detailed instructions on how to do the following tutorial. All you have to do is read it, and then you can now continue in pointing your domain to Shopify. And this one's using Namecheap as well. In total, there are 7 steps on how to do it. Don't worry, you can always go back to step 1 if you're not yet confident or you have missed a step or something's not working. Here we are on step 6 and we only have a few more steps left. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.